Hello students, today we are going to solve fifth numerical of network. Question is given as a project plan consisting of 10 events have predecessor relationship as shown. Draw the network diagram for the project plan. Now in this table event is shown and immediate predecessor is shown here. Now we have to draw the network diagram as per this relationship. Now event 1 will have no immediate predecessor, so this is the initial event of the network. Now event 2 will have immediate predecessor as 1, so this is the event 2 which is shown here. Now 3, 4, 5 have the immediate predecessor event as 2, so we have to draw 3 here, 4 here and 5 here. Now 6 event is having immediate predecessor as 3 and 5. So here is the 3 and 5 event and this is the event 6. Now 7th event will have immediate predecessor as 3 and 4. So this is the 7th event. Now 8th event will have 3 and 7 as the immediate predecessor. So we will draw 8th event here and this is the 3 and 7. Now 9th event will have immediate predecessor as 7. So we will draw 9th event here and immediate predecessor as 7. Now 10th event will have 3, 6, 8, 9 as immediate predecessor. So we will draw 10th event here and it will have 3 as immediate predecessor, 6 as immediate predecessor, 8 as immediate predecessor and 9 as immediate predecessor. That is all about this numerical. Thank you very much students.